Air bubble washing machine is mainly used to clean vegetable, fruits and seafood. High cleaning rate and no damage to products. Double cleaning method. Bubble produced by blower of air bubble washing machine and high pressure spraying. Make the washing effect to be more perfect. The bud washed out will sink in the bottom and be sent to water circulation box by circulating water pump. The filter of water box is freely disassembled. After filtering, the impurities will be left in the water box, and the floating object will be discharged by overflow to keep the cleanliness of water tank. At the same time, the impurities also will be discharged timely to make sure the cleaning effect.